Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add carousel wallpapers on Realme 5 lock screen magazine. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to home screen and lock screen magazine. Okay, tap this. And home screen and lock screen magazine. Okay, scroll down and go to Liwa lock screen section. Okay guys, here you can see the Liwa lock screen. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And now you can see the lock screen magazine. And you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this lock screen magazine to show the carousel wallpaper. And okay guys, you'll have to do to add the carousel wallpaper is tap this. And now here in carousel wallpaper, okay, to add the carousel wallpaper, okay, you can see here the add button here, so you can tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the option, so you can add photo from lock screen or from album. So okay guys, I decide to select or add the photo from album. And okay, select photo. And now select the photo you want to add into carousel wallpapers. Okay, so I select this one photo. And now I have one photo into my carousel wallpaper. And okay guys, to add more, so you'll have to do is tap add button again and go to add from album and go to photo and select photo again. So for example, I select this one of my photo. And okay guys, I have two carousel wallpaper now. So okay guys, so we have successfully add carousel wallpapers on Realme 5 lock screen magazine. You can add 9 photo to your carousel wallpaper. So okay guys, I have 2 photo here. And now to remove this carousel photo wallpaper, okay, you'll have to do is tap the pencil icon on the upper right side on your screen. You can tap this and tap the photo you want to remove on your carousel wallpaper. So for example, I remove all the photo of my carousel wallpaper. So okay guys, after you select the photo you want to remove on your carousel wallpaper, okay, you can see below the delete icon or delete button. So okay guys, you can tap this to remove the photo in your carousel wallpapers. So okay guys, remove wallpaper will no longer be displayed on your lock screen. Okay, you can remove anyway, so you'll have to do is tap the remove button and image remove. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we have successfully add carousel wallpaper and delete the carousel wallpaper on Realme 5 lock screen magazine. And that's it guys. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.